This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carol Cattle. Exceptional opportunity. Remodeled rambler on 32.62 level acres of exceptionally lovely land, zoned 1 home per 5 acres, currently used as hayfields / pasture land. New kitchen, new laundry room, fresh interior and exterior paint, new heat pump, new hot water heater. Most of home has been recently resided with Hardie Plank siding, new engineered hardwood floors. Most of home has been rewired, including a new service panel and masthead. New metal roof, new patio, new fencing and gate, new 175 dug well for additional flexibility, though home is on city water, plus extra lots. Covered parking for 8 cars in the attached garage plus outbuildings. Invest in a home that doubles as a plan for retirement. Ferndale Schools and easy commute to I-5. Hurry! For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Cattle at 360-671-5000.